Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Darren, aka the Six Figure Dad, and this is day one of my new direction. Let's say, if you've seen my YouTube videos before now, you've probably seen some of them have been about how to do this, how to do that. This is what I'm doing. Bit of a review of a product or a service, right? Which is fine. And yes, I'm involved with affiliate marketing, and this video is kind of my day one again because I'll tell you why. I'm calling myself out with regards to YouTube. I've been pretty crap, okay, of late. I want to now make this channel a bit more raw, all right? And the reason I'm doing that is because we're just real people, right? I want to make sure that anybody looking to get started in the online world of affiliate and digital marketing, Gen Xers, whatever your age, okay, I'm in my 50s. I want you to know that anybody can do this. This is why I've got no script for this. This is just off the cuff. I've got some bullet points. That's about it. And lighting is just a table lamp. I have got a ring light here that I paid like 10 quid for. The microphone I'm using was a little bit more expensive, maybe 40, 50 quid. And the camera I'm looking at was just like 15 quid off Amazon, right? It doesn't need to be expensive. But this channel, I want to make it a little bit more raw. So I want to be as authentic as I possibly can, because that's me, right? I can't be any other way. What you see is what you get. And I just want you to know that I've kind of come a full circle in my online space, in my online journey. So I started 2 years ago, and I started with a fantastic company, and I kind of fell for shiny object syndrome after that. Which is a big mistake on my part. And I've taken some fantastic courses. I've also been involved in some not so great courses. So I've kind of come on a journey, okay? So I know what's good, what's not so good, and I align with certain things, and of course you don't with others, just like we all do, right? So what I have discovered though is that there's one way for beginners to get started in an online business, and that is affiliate marketing, 100%. Okay, because if you don't know about affiliate marketing, it's simply promoting a product or service owned by another company, right? So you're kind of promoting another business. Just think of yourself as, I won't even call it like a sales rep for a company who pays you commission only. It's more like you're just promoting online and doing a bit of marketing for another product. So all you're doing is driving traffic to a link. Now, that's not the affiliate link. That's your opt-in page. When somebody goes to your opt-in page and enters their name and email address, you'll then take them to a bridge page that you've created, and I can show you how to do that. So you're literally working with a two-page funnel, right? After the bridge page, then it goes to the affiliate product, and then the company takes care of everything else. So for beginners, you kind of got the fun part of having an online business, because all you're having to do is create content that converts. And that's the skill you need to master, right? That's why you take an education. That's why you can come into my group, and we can have a chat, and I can help you along the process. I'll leave a link below for you to have a look at the free video. Just go and check it out. You can download my free guide just for doing so. But anyway, I'm going off track. This video isn't about that. This video is about me getting back on track and pulling myself up and actually calling myself out to say, hey, the video before this was 2 weeks ago. The one before that was 4 weeks ago. And then prior to that, I was posting 3 months ago. And at that point, I was posting daily. I had a tip of the day video coming out every single day, which was great. But call it burnout if you want. I don't know what was going on, but I spread myself too thin. I was on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Threads, Clapper, Pinterest, and while still trying to run my brick and mortar business, right? Because that is still going. So yeah, I was doing too much, okay? I was doing far too much, and I had burnout. And so YouTube kind of fell by the wayside, and I don't want that to happen. I love YouTube. It's where I want to ideally build my business. I've got some amazing leads from YouTube, okay? So this is me starting again and calling myself out and making myself accountable to you guys. So I'm going to try and post 2 to 3 times a week here on YouTube, but I'm going to make my videos more about my journey, okay? My wins, my losses, successes, failures, mistakes, light bulb moments, okay? What I'm learning, I'm going to try and share with you. And because ultimately, I'm just now focusing more so on promoting one product. I think I say this to pretty much everybody I talk to now, a lot of marketers get overwhelmed because they feel that they have to have loads of products on their storefront. And affiliate marketing isn't like that. The best way to do this, especially as a beginner, is to promote one product. Go in with one product on one platform with one link, using a funnel that simply sends someone to an affiliate product. That can just, the selling's done for you then. So that's by far the best way and the easiest way to get started. And I've realized this. I've bought many products and courses, and I've come back to where I first started 2 years ago, because it's the best and easiest way to actually build an online business, because you build in the foundational skills to promote and learn how to build your business, not somebody else's, right? So really, really important. So yeah, I'm going to share everything. I mean, I've got to work on the lighting in here. I mean, the backdrop is just not great. The lighting is pretty crappy. I'm just going to be raw and authentic and true to myself and just say it as it is. Okay, and if I make mistakes, I'm going to leave it in. I'm not going to be one to make all my videos all fancy pants and edit everything out. If anything, I'm just going to add a little section at the end, because I've got that uploaded already. But I'm not going to be someone who spends hours and hours editing my YouTube videos. I just want to make this as real as possible. It's not going to be like a vlog or anything like that, but it is going to be more of just a conversation with you guys. Okay, and I'd love your comments and love your feedback on that, because it's kind of a new style for me on YouTube. This is how I kind of am on my lives on TikTok, but for YouTube, I want to see if this kind of content is what you're going to engage with and what you're going to want to see, because at the end of the day, it's my journey, right? So even though I started in the business 2 years ago and I've learned an awful lot since then, I've made mistakes. Okay, I've had ups, I've had downs. I've had to work on my mindset. I've had days of wanting to give up. I've had days of thinking, wow, this is amazing, because the opportunity is massive. This online business allowed us to fly business class last year, allowed us to go on a luxury Italian holiday, paid for by my online business, while still making $1,000 in the first couple of days of being there, and I wasn't even working. So it has massive pluses, and affiliate marketing is a way to do it, because that's what's going to be the powerful moment for you when you have that first sale and you think, wow, I'm at work and I've just made $1,000 sale. So if you want to learn these skills, I will drop a link below, because ultimately I want you to actually take action and actually learn this. That link below will take you to an opt-in page. You can just have a look at the video that I've created on my Bridge page, and then click that button below my video, which will take you to the actual 5-day challenge, okay, which is the one place I recommend all beginners start. It's $5, right? If you do go that path, just go and have a look at it, or just register and get my free guide emailed to you. If you do that, check your inbox, because it might be in your spam or your junk folder. It's the first one from autoresponders. Sometimes they end up in there. If it is in there, just move me to your inbox and you're good to go for the future. Anyway, guys, that's it for today. I'm not going to bore you anymore. If you have any questions about starting affiliate marketing, please drop them in comments. Don't forget to subscribe so you can follow my journey. Click that button now and click the notification set and that little bell. Again, I'm not going to pop up one of those posh little buttons that are going to say, click that little bell below. I'm just going to tell you to do it and ask you to do it. Hopefully you will. So I'll see you next time on the next video. Have a great day, guys. I'll see you all soon. All the best.